euFIX adapters for mounting Fibaro modules on a DIN rail. If Fibaro modules are to control lighting or roller shutters, they are most often mounted inside wall boxes behind the switches. However, if they are to control heating or watering, they are installed where these circuits converge, in an electrical switchboard on a DIN rail. You can try different mounting methods there, with zip ties, but the zip ties make it difficult to insert the wire into the terminals. In another position, they prevent access at all. And this is unprofessional, and we risk losing our right to compensation in the event of unforeseen events. You can try to mount in holders printed on a 3D printer. But then there is no access to the screw terminals. You cannot connect the wires without removing the holder from the DIN rail. You cannot take measurements or register the module in the Z-Wave network. All this requires removing it from the DIN rail. That is why we have designed the euFIX adapters, which enable safe and professional installation of Fibaro modules on a DIN rail. Fibaro modules differ in design, so each of them has an appropriate euFIX adapter. This is the euFIX family of adapters. Their designations correspond to the symbols of the appropriate Fibaro modules. Even the colours of the labels, PCBs and boxes reflect the colours of Fibaro packaging, so it's hard to get confused. Installation is very simple. Open the housing, check the compliance of Fibaro module with the marking on the euFIX adapter PCB. Put the Fibaro module on the adapter pin header and tighten the screw clamps. The last check and you can close the enclosure. In the white field you can enter the module description according to the installation design. The screw terminals in the adapters are larger, so you can attach cables with a cross section of up to 2.5 mm squared and cables with ferrules. euFIX adapters have duplicated line-to-line and neutral-to-neutral terminals, so the power supply of the adapters can be cascaded, avoiding splicing connectors. These bridges can withstand high current, but care must be taken to ensure that no current exceeding 10 amps flows anywhere in the system. To be sure, the measurement is taken where the current accumulates. The push buttons facilitate diagnostics without the need to leave the switchboard room. The Fibaro module can even be registered or deregistered from the Z-Wave system using the buttons on the euFIX adapter. The adapters are mounted stably and help to start up and service the entire installation. euFIX adapters are delivered with instructions in 4 languages. Their adapters have undergone rigorous tests in Fibaro laboratories and are also CE certified. euFIX adapters are available in Fibaro sales network all over the world. We recommend.